Okay, we've got both pieces in. They're kind of firm. They don't look like they'd move, but never know with the motor, vibrating or whatever. So I'm going to put a dab of Crazy Glue, but not now. I want to see now if the armature fits in, because that's how we'd have to do it. We'd have to put the armature in first to see if these fit, because, I could be off. And then the tricky part's going to be the spring and the bushings. So just to show, I'm going to try to get this to go straight in. Oh, look at that. No contact, which is beautiful. But they do want to separate. And that's the key. So the real tricky part's going to be to get those bushings in there with a spring and not have them fly out. I'm going to have to figure that out, because I think it's going to be harder than I thought.